Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Perception Kayak Accessories is probably one of the most crucial investments a kayak enthusiast can make, transforming a good paddling experience into an exceptional one by enhancing comfort, functionality, and safety on the water, ensuring that every outing is as enjoyable and efficient as possible, whether you're embarking on a leisurely day trip or a challenging expedition. Number 5. Gradient Fitness Kayak Anchor Kit. Introducing the ultimate anchoring solution for your water adventures. This robust kit ensures your watercraft stays exactly where you want it, no matter the conditions. Our innovative 4-fluke design provides exceptional holding power in various underwater environments. The secure twist lock mechanism keeps it steady, so you can relax without constant adjustments. Navigate with confidence thanks to the strong braided rope, a highly visible floating buoy, and a durable stainless steel carabiner. It offers a reliable and steady connection to the water. Setting up is a breeze with our simple, intuitive design. Just unfold, lock, attach the rope, and drop it in place to secure your position. Designed for convenience, it folds down compactly for easy storage. Its lightweight yet strong construction makes it perfect for kayaks, paddleboards, and other small watercraft. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need, performing exceptionally well in sand, silt, rocks, weeds, and muddy bottoms. It digs in firmly to minimize drifting, especially while fishing. What we like. This anchor kit offers a superior 4-fluke design for reliable holding power. It also features a heavy-duty marine rope with a floating buoy and carabiner for secure attachment. If you are looking for a dependable anchor that is easy to deploy and store, especially for kayaks, paddleboards, and canoes, this is an excellent choice for drift fishing or simply staying put. What people say. The kayak is very stable and tracks well even in choppy water. It is comfortable for long paddling trips, with good seat support. The storage capacity is ample for multi-day excursions. Number 4. Perception Kayak Splash Seatback Cooler. Introducing the ultimate slim seatback kayak cooler. It's designed to fit seamlessly with kayaks featuring lawn chair style seating. This cooler is compatible with various Perception models, including the Pilot, Pescator Pro, and Tribe, as long as they have the lawn chair seating system. It attaches easily to the back of your seat using a strong bungee ball system. The zippered opening on top allows for convenient access to your drinks and food while you're seated. Constructed with waterproof materials and RF welded seams, it keeps water out. The YKK water-resistant zipper adds to its durability and protection. With 3 4-inch thick closed-cell foam insulation, it keeps your drinks and food cold throughout the day. Its design ensures it won't impede access to other gear in your Tankwell. It features an ergonomic grab handle for easy carrying. You can also enhance its functionality with compatible upgrades like rod holders and mesh organizers, sold separately. What we like. This is the ultimate slim seatback cooler designed for kayaks with lawn chair style seats. It attaches easily and provides convenient access to your food and drinks. If you have a kayak with this specific seat style and want to keep your refreshments cool without sacrificing space, this cooler is perfect for you. What people say. The seat is comfortable and provides good support. The paddle is lightweight and easy to handle. The kayak is stable and tracks well in the water. Number 3. Perception Splash Tankwell Cooler for Kayaks. Introducing the Perception Splash Tankwell Cooler, designed to fit perfectly in your kayak's tankwell. It's also versatile enough for all your other adventures. With 1 2-inch insulating foam, it keeps your drinks and food cold throughout the entire day. Its 40L capacity can hold up to 20 cans with ice. The zippered opening on top offers ultimate convenience for quick access to your refreshments. No more struggling to get to your drinks or snacks. Transporting it is a breeze thanks to the adjustable backpack-style shoulder straps and a strong haul handle. Take it anywhere with ease. Its low-profile shape is designed to minimize wind impact, ensuring stability during your travels. Enjoy a smooth and secure experience. What we like. This cooler is designed to fit within the open storage area of most sit-on-top kayaks. It offers a generous 40L capacity and features adjustable backpack-style shoulder straps for easy portage. If you need a versatile cooler that fits neatly into your kayak's Tankwell and is easy to transport, this is a great option for keeping your drinks and food cold all day. What people say. The kayak is very stable and tracks well, even in choppy water. It's comfortable for long paddling trips, with good seat support. The storage capacity is ample for gear, and the hatches are watertight. Number 2. Anti-Slip Gel Kayak Seat Cushion. Introducing our revolutionary kayak seat cushion, designed for ultimate comfort on the water. Its unique ergonomic shape and double-thick gel provide superior support and pain relief. Featuring a breathable honeycomb gel design, this cushion promotes airflow to keep you cool and prevent sweat, even on the hottest days. The waterproof surface ensures comfort in any condition. Crafted from high-quality gel, it offers exceptional cushioning and elasticity. It easily returns to its original shape, making it durable and simple to transport for all your adventures. The non-slip gel material guarantees stability, keeping you secure in your seat even when wet. Enjoy peace of mind with its reliable grip. With a detachable, washable cover and a portable design, maintaining this cushion is effortless. Use it with or without the cover for convenience. Perfect for kayaking, canoeing, fishing, or even office and travel use. This versatile cushion is an ideal gift for anyone seeking enhanced comfort and pain relief. What we like. This seat cushion features a double-thickened gel with a U-shaped ergonomic design for excellent pain relief and comfort. Its waterproof and anti-slip properties ensure stability even in wet conditions. If you suffer from discomfort during long kayaking trips or simply want a more comfortable and secure seating experience, this cushion is ideal for you. What people say. The kayak is very stable on the water, making it easy to paddle even for beginners. It has plenty of storage space for gear, with multiple hatches and a large cockpit. The seat is comfortable and adjustable, providing good support for long trips. Number 1. TidyFriend Kayak Cooler Behind Seat. Tired of bulky kayak crates? This clever cooler fits neatly under your seat, freeing up space for all your other gear. Its removable mesh pockets help you keep everything tidy and accessible. Don't let rough waters slow you down. Simply attach it behind your kayak seat with the included bungee cords. It stays put, so you can focus on enjoying your paddle. Keep your drinks refreshingly cold and your essentials dry, no matter the weather. Its superior insulation and water-resistant design ensure everything stays perfect, even on the hottest days. Pack enough for the whole crew. This cooler holds plenty of drinks and snacks without being cumbersome. Plus, the shoulder strap makes it a breeze to carry from your car to the water. Whether you're fishing, heading to the beach, or camping, this cooler is designed for your adventures. It keeps your essentials cold, dry, and perfectly organized, no matter where you go. Get ready for your next outing with everything included. This package comes with the cooler, bungee cords, and a shoulder strap, making it the ultimate, ready-to-go solution for any outdoor enthusiast. What we like. This seatback cooler offers a compact design that saves space while keeping your drinks cold for hours. It securely fastens behind most lawn chair-style kayak seats. If you're looking for a kayak accessory that maximizes storage, stays put during your adventures, and keeps your essentials cool, this is a fantastic choice for fishing, beach days, or picnics. What people say. The kayak is very stable and tracks well, making it easy to paddle even for beginners. It has plenty of storage space for gear, and the seat is comfortable for long trips. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.